Do you know who I am?
Yes, you are Nick Varner, a 4 times world champion.
What? That's right. Watch this.
Wow, okay.
I'm not done yet. Watch this. That's the best you can do! Of course not. Watch this.
Wow, this player is really strong, but I just hope I get lucky in this match.
But let me ask this. Who are you?
Me? I'm just a nobody from the Philippines. Just a poor country in Asia, but with happy people.
What?
Let's just start and play.
Okay, let's see what you've got, Filipino guy.
Pool fans, this is the World Pro Tournament 1988 held in Japan. This is the semi-finals match between Nick Varner from America and EFREN Reyes of the Philippines. This tournament is one of the biggest 9-ball events in Asia, with a first prize of 5 million yen, which is equivalent to 32,000 US dollars in today's money. Many pro pool players from around the world gather here to try and win this prestigious title and prize money. We start here in the first rack where Nick Varner attempts a safety but fails. EFREN is now looking to take advantage of the opportunity. As you can see, EFREN is very young here, standing at 34 years of age. Time to like the video, dear subscribers. Thank you very much. We now move on to rack 6. EFREN was leading 4-1, but Nick Varner makes a shocking golden break and is now trailing by only 2 racks. Here we go in rack 7, the score stands at 4-2 for EFREN. EFREN went for the 1-2 combination shot here, but barely missed the mark. Nick Varner is really focused here, trying to take advantage of EFREN's mistake. The American player makes a really good bank on the 5 here. He could have potted it directly into the side pocket, but instead he decided to bank it to get the right angle to avoid the 8 ball and pull the cue ball back to the 6 next.
今みたいなこう難しいショットでも迷って最後にコード決めたら攻める。
Nick Varner, born on May 15, 1948, in Owensboro, Kentucky, is an American professional pool player.
外さないつき方っていうか。
He is also part of the BCA Hall of Fame.
非常にやりにくかったです。肩のボールが飛び込まない。はい、今2ボール、4ボールの飛び込まないようにするのと。
We proceed now to Rack 8. EFREN leads 4-3.
きちっとくっつけるという。ボールの場合ブレークでなんか入れられちゃうと大体ランアウトされる確率っていうのは非常に高くなりますから。
The American player makes a really good break here.
防御の一種って攻撃。
If he can run this rack out, he will tie the match at 4.
でしょう。
And he can possibly add some more pressure to EFREN.
なんかショットに無駄な力。
そうね。
And just like that, Varner makes a 3 racks in a row to tie the match.
去年アメリカでアーナーとレイズは
We now move on to rack 9, Varner with the break shot.
4-4手玉をこっち引っ張ってくるんじゃないかな。
6の裏ですね。
ねいいところだねこれは。
A great safety shot from Nick Varner on the 2 ball here.
邪魔落としていくだろうね。スローだろうね。トリプルしたんだね。うまい力でつくね。
そうですね。
But EFREN responded with a really good kick safety shot.
とこじゃないかと思うけどね。まあ直接見えてないみたいね。ああ曲がりすぎちゃったね。ああこれはどうぞっていう感じになっちゃった。
Varner attempted a kick shot, but has now left EFREN with a possible 2-9 combination shot. Let us now jump right into rack 13.
狙ってるみたいですね。
そう
The match has been really tight, but somehow EFREN
これはいくね。
has managed to get into the driver's seat at this point. One year before this match, in 1987, EFREN won 3 gold medals in the Southeast Asian Games.
引いてもよかったっすか。やるんだよね。
He won the snooker doubles, 8-ball singles,
ここに止めて
そうですね。
コーナーから
and English billiards single events.
ね。コーナーみたいだね。そうですね。真ん中から入れるね。
Unfortunately, EFREN missed the 7-ball here, and Varner took advantage of the situation. Hold on, pool fans, as we dive into rack 14. as this rack may turn the tides upside down.
みたいですね。あれ以上振るのは
Nick Varner is now looking for a quick 3-9 combination shot to take this rack.
もう一遍構え直すっていうのはどういう。
スリーボールをね、
And just like that, the match is tied at 7 apiece. The 4 times world champion is on a mission here.
だけども、あれで真ん中ついてるんだよね。
The winner of this match will advance to the finals
選手の気持ちとしたらもう取られたものという
to face Jose among Parica, competing for the 5 million yen prize money.
ちょっと嫌ですよね。
クッションだね、これね。立ててるっていうこと。
Jose Parica is also a Filipino player who resides in the United States. He is arguably one of the best pool players of this era, alongside EFREN Bata Reyes.
なかなかのチャン選手というのもやりますよ。
さあ、8-7。
EFREN Reyes is now on the hill 8-7, but wait, as more exciting things will still happen in this match. Let us now dive into rack 16, EFREN Reyes with the break.
だしね。
向こう側に手玉そうみたいだね。うまく止めるね、だけどね。
これ少し強かった。
EFREN executes a really good kick save shot here on the 1 ball.
止まらないでしょ。
Let's see what the American player have in response.
やるね。素晴らしいね。ナイスショット。
What a great bank shot from Nick Varner. He went for the aggressive side and will now be looking for an open table layout to potentially force a heel game.
暑かったですね。
会場球は滑らないし。
Nick Varner is a 4-time world champion, having won the world champion titles in straight pool in 1980 and 1986,
もうそれ
and 9-ball title twice in 1989 and 1999.
進んでるうちにいますね。
And just like that, the match has come to an epic heel battle. Who will come out on top, the Filipino or the American player? Let's find out as we dive into the final rack.
アウトとか。
セーフティーとかね。入りましたね。さあ、この1番の位置がどうなるか。いやいやいやいやいや、ドラマですね、これ。
Varner made a ball on the break, but unfortunately, he doesn't have a direct shot on the 1 ball here.
さあ、あと法則ね。で、こういう時に、まあ、白球で狙うような形にするとか。
シュートってそうですね。
こっち持ってきたら入れられちゃう。
So, he decided to call for a push out here.
これで、この辺でもうセーフティー合戦だよね。ああ、これ、本当
Of course, EFREN took the shot and attempted a safety play.
これもでも見えた
だろうね。
ように分けるっていう感じでしょうね。で、球を
だろうね
引っ張って、
今のはラッキーだね。
ミスショットです。
ラッキーっていうか、いや、入って困っちゃってる。
Varner was trying to play safe, but the one ball went into the long corner pocket.
抜いて
Once again, he hooked himself on the 3 ball here.
この時のレイズの見てたんですけどね、笑ってんですよ。
Varner is taking all his time here,
最初なんで
as another mistake could cost him the entire match. But watch here, as something truly unexpected
い
happened.
くんじゃないかな。下手な小細工考えないで。
お
Oh, no, no.
Nick Varner surprised everyone with a kick bank shot on the 3 ball. What a move in a heel-heel game. That shot could be his winning ticket for this match if he runs out from here.
いいよね。やらしいよ。スローでいくよ、これ。
But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Varner still needs to make the last 9 ball to win the match.
触れてれば問題ない球なんですけど。
直接引くんだ。
But Nick Varner puts himself on a tough spot here. A very thin cut and a very missable shot on the 7 ball here.
薄い。
押しちゃうか。
That's my laughing. Yeah.
What a situation we have here. Varner forced the cut, but may now have to pay the price for that bad position play.
仕方んだろうね、レンズ。
つく時は真剣ないい顔してますね。
Like the video now, pool fans, if you have reached this far. Thank you very much for your support. After all, EFREN Reyes has secured the victory in this match as Nick Varner fell short on the last rack. It was a really good match with both players performing very well. Both players deserved to win, but only one could remain. EFREN Reyes at 34 years old is truly a force to be reckoned with. A Filipino talent like no other. What do you think about this match, pool fans? Comment your thoughts below. And if you believe EFREN Reyes is the best, like the video and subscribe for more contents like this. See you in the next match, and God bless every one of you. Thank you very much for your unending support.